All I'm saying, Paul, is you're not a young man anymore. You've got to look after your health. I know you want to rock and roll all day and party every night. Or how's that go? I want to rock and roll. You want to rock and roll all night and party every day. But that's no way to live. I want you to think about it. You know, we're your fans. We care about you. But I gotta rock Europe. We're gonna take over the world. Yeah. All right. Well, can you do me a favor? Yeah. Anything for you, Nana Boozhoo. Why don't you announce the show today? Yeah, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, you wanted the best, so you got the best. The hottest band in the... I did it again. I get started and I get excited. Ladies and gentlemen, you wanted the best, and you got the best. The hottest podcast on Facebook, Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo. The podcast about Ojibwe Language and Culture! Yo, woo, 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 woohoo! Oh, okay. All right. Let's get serious. All right. How are you doing this morning, Weenie Mushane? Oh, I'm good. How are you? Oh, I'm really good. Neiman Wyndham, J-A-I-N, Omanongom. I'm happy to be here today. And I'm happy to be here with you today, too. And I was thinking it might be kind of fun to maybe look at one of the old videos. You want to look at one of the old videos? Yeah, let's do that. Okay. So I'm just going to pull up. This is from September 16th or 20th or something. And it's the well, I'll just play it.
Hola. We are the 99%. We never forgive. And we never forget. You rich people, you better watch out. Hey.
Having a little trouble with that mask.
Just kidding. You know, when they were protesting the 1%, I thought, uh-oh, they're coming after us again.
Hey.
Boozhoo Anashanabidug. Nana Boozhoo Indigenous Cause. Neiman Wyndham Oma Nungum. Hello, everybody. My name is Nana Boozhoo, and let's see, what are we going to talk about today? I think we're going to talk about our special guest right here. Say hello, Anamush. Woof, 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 woof. Okay, he's just a stuffed animal. I did that. Woof, 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 woof. Anyway, our word today, Anamush. Boozhoo Anamush. Anamush, dog. And, you know, I think our pets are really important to us. I know I don't know many Native people who don't have a dog that's like a family member. So when you have a dog, you got to say, Giza ga'in anamush. Giza ga'in anamush. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Giza ga'in, I love you. Giza ga'in. Okay, I don't know. I guess that's all I got for today. So I'm going to say, Gigawabamin. Gigawabamin Nagash. I'll see you later. Okay.
Oh, you can totally see Michael's eye right there.
I dropped my mouse. I don't know how to
People are
stop
like,
this
who's
thing.
that creepy guy right behind Nana Boozhoo? Wow, we've really come a long ways, eh? Yeah, that was fun watching that. Huh. I used to sit up at night just so I could watch ya. I wrote on my bedroom wall, Nana Boozhoo loves Natasha. Oh, and you have been watching Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minawa, Hoa.